Today we're going to break up a large PDF using the updated Adobe Acrobat interface. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and let's jump right in. The first thing I want to do is open up my file, and this is a book that is 497 pages, and the first thing that I want to do is select the Organize Pages button. From here, I can zoom in or out of the thumbnails, and what I'm looking to do is break this book up into smaller segments. So I'm going to hold my Shift key and select the thumbnails for all of this material that comes before Chapter 1. Then, under the Organize Pages tool that's selected, I'm going to select this button called Extract Pages. And then I'm going to select the option Delete Pages after extract so that it removes it from my base file, and then select extract. Next, I'm going to go back to my tab at the top that contains my actual file, and then each one of these is going to be renamed. All right, so let's keep going. Now we have Chapter 1. I'm just going to scroll through the thumbnails and choose all of the files before the start of Chapter 2, and then select the Extract button. Delete pages after extracting, and select Extract. And that pulls those pages into a separate file. I then go back to the original again, and let's select Chapter 2. And I'm just going to scroll with my mouse and find all the files all of the pages right before the start of Chapter 3. Then select Extract Pages, delete pages after extracting, and extract. I'm going to go back to the main file and let's keep going. Here is Chapter 4. Here is Chapter 5. Here's Chapter 6 or 7. Here's Chapter 9. Here's Chapter 8. And we're just going to keep going. Let's move on to Chapter 9. Extract Chapter 9, extract Chapter 10, and Chapter 11, Chapter 12, Chapter 13. All right, now before my Acrobat starts getting buggy, I'm going to start saving out some of these files. So what I like to do is actually just select the tab, and then I'm going to select Close, and it's going to prompt me to save it, and I'm going to say yes. And then let's find where we want to save it and give it a name. This is going to be 00 Human Genetics front material, and select save. Then let's close Chapter 1 and select yes, we want to save it. Choose our location, 01 Human Genetics, and select save. Let's close Chapter 2 and save it. All right, now we've got chapters 0 through 13 taken out. We can keep on going, and let's kick it back off with Chapter 14. I'm looking for the thumbnail before the start of Chapter 15 and selecting Extract, Delete Pages, and we go back to the main file and keep the process moving. Here's Chapter 17. This book has a lot of chapters in it. Here's Chapter 18. We go back to the main tab. Chapter 19, Chapter 20. Chapter 21, go back to the main tab, and let's do Chapter 22. Looks like the end, and the rest is just end material. Perfect. Let's go ahead and save this file out. I'm going to say end material, human genetics, and we'll close that file, and then we're going to start saving all of these out. This one's 14, this one's 15, 16, 17, 18, and just keep on going. And boom, now we have a whole bunch of chapters broken up, and we have the main textbook still intact. Thank you for joining me today as we went through breaking up a large PDF using the new Adobe Acrobat Pro interface. As always, I can be your personal accessibility expert. Check out the links below this video to find out how I can help you more, and I can't wait to see you again.